All right, I just got sent to me this all-in-one charger for your iPhone, your AirPods, and your watch. With the new AirPods, phone, and watch out right now, this is the best time to get this. The phone can charge all the way up to 15 watts, the earbuds can charge all the way up to 5 watts, and the watch output is 2.5 watts. Let's open this up. We have your thank you for your purchase, 5-year warranty if you sign up. Here's your power brick. Does have a nightlight on here. Here is where you charge your phone. It can flip up for landscape mode. There are holes in the back for ventilation. Your watch will go right here, and your AirPods are going to go right here. So I'm going to plug this in and we'll see how it does. However, I am recording on my phone, so I cannot put my phone on here. And the only other phone I have on hand is this one that does not have the MagSafe charging. I actually completely forgot. I am doing a video on a pocket camera, so I do have another device I can record with. So let's see what the phone charging specs are. When I put this on, I'm going to open up my battery app. First, we have your AirPods. Heard that chime. Then got your watch. Okay, as you can see, it is charging current at 1400 milliamps. Sorry, it's going down a little bit. So does the Apple puck charger. That's about the same as the Apple one. Now we have side view, so you can do that. All right, and let's see, where is this light? Oh, it is over here. So probably help if I... All right, so the light is just barely visible with currently a floodlight on. But I'm sure at night that is just enough to see over where your phone and everything's charging in case you want to grab those AirPods real quick. It's a really nice feature, and it's actually not a button. That's why I did not know it was going on. It is a capacitive touch button. So yes, this is just a really nice stand. And then if you want to bring this with you, you're going on vacation, you don't want to bring a whole bunch of chargers, just bring the box. I highly recommend this. I wish there was more colors than black. I would love to see this in a white. But for traveling on the go, if you're one person, it wouldn't save as much space packing. But as far as counter space, especially if you were going on a cruise ship, let me tell you, there is not a lot of space for you to put your stuff. So this allows you to basically stack everything all in one. So that is really nice with this.